Hi everyone, I'm Kunal Sanke and welcome to my channel Code for Wireless. Today we'll try to learn about LLM in this new YouTube series. So let's begin. So LLM stands for Large Language Model. Now what is large here? So large represent two things. One is number of parameters and second the training dataset size. Typically, the model parameters are in the range of 70 to 100 billions of parameters. Now, compared with traditional machine learning network or even deep learning network like CNN, these parameters are really huge, and that's why it takes days and days to train these models, and the cost of this training is also huge. And the second factor is the training data set. So typically, this training data set consists of so many books, Wikipedia pages, social media posts, anything related to text, that will be part of training data set. And that's why these models are, huge in terms of parameters and training data set size. Second part is language. Now, this LLM model takes input in the form of text. You know, Whenever we write query, we ask question to ChatGPT. So that's in the form of text. And the LLM model present output or produces output in the form of text only. So if we write something, if we ask something, we get a response in the form of text. The other example could be, we ask LLM to write codes. So that's also in the form of text. And that's why LLM has, the term has language in it. And third important thing is model. Now LLM is again a deep learning model, but we use something special model called transformers. So let's write it down. So the underlying model which revolutionized this LLM model is transformer. So we'll learn everything about transformer in coming videos. What is this architecture, what is input, what is output, what is the embedding layer, what is decoder. So everything you want to know about transformer, we'll learn those in coming videos. So far what we have discussed is LLM stands for large language model. Large because the model parameters are huge in size, training data set is also huge. Language because LLM model takes input in the form of text, produces output also in the form of text. So model, which is transformer, is behind LLM models. One thing that we need to understand why LLM model becomes so popular. It's only because um, the LLM model are able to produce output which feels like human would respond. Now, how LLM works? So LLM produces next word output based on the previous input. So for example, if we have text something sky is dash. If the LLM model is, it's not trained well, or if it is in the early stage of training, it may produce some garbage output. Sky is, let's say a laptop. Now it is very incoherent sentence at this moment, but when the LLM gets trained with huge data set, it may be able to produce sky is blue, and which looks very accurate, right? So essentially, LLM is simply producing an output one word at a time based on the input. Now, for example, you may ask ChatGPT a question like, um, write a poem about sky. It may start with something sky is blue. So it starts with sky, then it may produce the next word which is is, and the next word is blue, and it may keep filling the next sentences as well. So it will produce one output at a time. Okay. For today now, in this introductory video, in the next video, we will try to understand transformer architecture. So see you in the next video. Thank you.